Hello, thank you for viewing this course video. In this PSD to Bootstrap for Beginners course, you will learn to take any Photoshop template or design and turn it into a responsive landing page using the Bootstrap framework. You will work through the lectures and see what elements of the template can be extracted and what elements can be created directly in the Bootstrap framework using HTML and CSS. You will learn about the Bootstrap components such as the famous navigation bar and the very popular Bootstrap carousel and how to add them into your page. You'll learn about the famous Bootstrap grid system and also media queries, which will make sure the page and any future pages you create will look best on all devices. You'll also take your skills further by adding animation onto the page, which will give you an edge over other designers or developers. This course is ideal for individuals that design templates in Photoshop and want to start turning these designs into working sites, or individuals that simply want to learn how to develop responsive Bootstrap sites and do that by using real-life examples. By the end of this course, you'll have a solid understanding of the Bootstrap framework and you'll have the skills and tools to build responsive templates, sites or landing pages with HTML and CSS. So enroll on this course today and start learning about the most popular front-end framework for the web and how easy it is to learn and use.